Today is a snow day, so you're gonna like spend a snow day with me. The way I've missed this stuff. We got this yummy skin. I know it's kind of bright with my lights. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I never had that before. We're about to head to IKEA. Y'all coming with us because I love IKEA. Oh, I thought it was cute. This room is cute. So let's go to Michaels and get a whiteboard. 3 by 32, it's all black. This is wet erase board. I love this so much. I definitely need to find my my light. I don't know where it is. It's probably in my purse, which I'm not getting right now. Hold on, let me just slip it up higher. Yeah, it's probably in my purse, which I'm not getting right now. But hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are in Tuesday of today. Today is a snow day, so you're gonna like spend a snow day with me right now. So we closed school today. So I don't have school today, but my son does, which is weird. I thought like they would be closed, but clearly they are not. So no, you know, parents that know like he going to school today. So it's okay because it's like literally 2 minutes away from our house. So he's gonna go to school today. But yeah, he had a snow. No, we had off yesterday because yesterday was Martin Luther King Day. So today we are again having a snow day. Yesterday I made chicken tacos. I didn't even show you guys. And I don't know what I want to do today. I kind of want to just get my life together a little bit. So I'm like resetting myself a little bit. I'm washing clothes. More of my closet is done. I can show you guys more of that. I'm going to make grits this morning because I have salmon. So they're boiling in the back right there. I'm about to make myself a coffee. So you guys are going to see me do that. I want to start taking Christmas decorations down and getting rid of all the Christmas stuff. And like just decluttering my mind because it just helps. So let's cook, make a coffee, eat some breakfast, and spend a snow day together. I'm trying my best to. Alright, so I'm about to eat. Y'all saw me make my coffee and just saw my breakfast. Don't judge my salmon cakes. Like, don't do that. But I'm about to eat and I'll come back to you guys in a second. Are you guys sweet grits or savory grits? I am savory grits. Not sweet. Don't give me sweet grits. I need some salt, but I put salt in here too. Why it's not salty? I'm doing my best to figure this out. Oh, I'm not even in frame, y'all. Okay. Ignore how I look right now. It's fine. But I just got my Sephora order and first of all, I'm recording a TikTok and a thing at the same time. The way I've missed this stuff, I don't know where it went. I'm never taking it back from my paper. Alright, so we got this yummy skin. I know it's kind of bright with my lights. Skin tint, and I am in the shade 12. So we're going to see what this looks like. I never had that before. My goal right now is to have like bronzy, dewy skin. So if you're trying to figure out like what are you doing, that's what I'm doing. Then I got this Drunk Elephant. This is the bronzing. It's like a glowy bronze. I'm going to mix it with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. That, and then I got the YSL, which you just saw, which I love so much because it makes my lips so glossy and I don't have to do anything else. Like, it's my favorite. I cannot take this out of this beauty room unless I get one from my purse. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Bye. Okay, we're about to head to IKEA. Y'all coming with us because I love IKEA. You finished your full dinner? Yeah? Okay. Not ideal, but we're out here at IKEA on this chilly, rainy night. This would be so much better if my legs weren't on fire still. Hey guys, we're here. Do we know exactly what we're looking for or no clue? We're just moving around. Okay. These would be good to divide the room too, like the bookshelves.
Length of 66 inches or less.
Couch less than 66 inches? Okay. You don't like this one, right?
It's too long.
Oh. It's five, you don't think it's 5 feet? It's a little bit more than 5 feet? If I laid on this.
So
You brought the measuring tape? It will tell you, no? It is. It looks close to it. I was 6 inches off. 6 inches off is not bad. Wait, one of these small, tiny couches? Like that? We need a couch for the kids' room that's less than 66 inches. So we're trying to find something. This couch looked like it's been satin, y'all. It's definitely been a satin couch. It's a love seat. This is more than 66 inches. This is cute though. Yeah, I like this a lot. Like the mats or something soft down there. You can have like a little, that's really cute actually. The light and everything. Yeah, should do that room. So Jonathan's room is really similar. His bed is similar to that one. So we could put something at the bottom. He has like a whole house bed. So we're looking at like what we could do for the bottom. Oh yeah, no, these are so shallow. Is this the mountain? Oh, it's the color. Oh, I thought it was cute. I feel like we can find something here for sure. 66 inches like this, maybe. Small little. I like this too, but I don't think it's 66 inches. This cute little green. It's probably soft, no? I don't know. I'm barely standing up and sitting down. Or that one is $4.49. The dimensions. Oh, this is not available anyway. But 70. These are all bigger for sure. I think. Yeah, see, these are like. This is cute. But I don't think. This is like a couch bed. The whole setup. Yeah, that's a full couch bed right there. Like if she doesn't feel like sleeping on her bed, I guess. This will help to divide the kids' rooms. Like a insert. Right? This is a queen too. It does not look like a queen, but it is. $350. This is I think exactly what I had. But I think I had something else above my dresser. And then drawers. The drawers at the bottom are good for her. It says plush rug. This rug is plush. What is this? I can feel it on my feet when I step on it. We're just looking for another bed. For our daughter. Pushed against the wall. This is a full size. Oh, it's the mom, but just in white. Okay. This room is cute. So we're looking at these for underneath Jonathan's bed. Like that's the inspiration kind of thing. Which is very similar setup, actually. You got the bookshelves and everything. Hey guys, so today is, oh, I didn't mean to do that, hold on. Today is Wednesday and we just came back from work. I look a mess, so don't judge me. We're at Michaels, so I'm gonna take you guys in here with me really quick to grab a whiteboard because I want to plan out like my content for, the month. So we're just gonna grab a whiteboard, literally nothing else, and that's it. Sorry, the whiteboards I saw in Michaels were like $20 or something. So I was like, oh, that's pretty good. So let's go to Michaels and get a whiteboard. I always love these mats. It's not my favorite though. This is cute. Guys, look at all the colors. I know this is not what I'm here for. This is cute. You know, these. This is like shadow boxes. That's not it. Decor. Look, that's good enough. Cause I don't think I need. Oh, what is that? This is heavy. This is a 22 by 35 inch. I like this. Oh, I like this too. 23 by 32. It's all black. This is wet erase board. I like the black one. Guys, I might get this. I don't know. Window. Can I use regular dry erase markers on this? Or like it has to be like. On the frame? Well, it's a wet erase board. It's so. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. Sorry, my God. Okay, that's so much better because if y'all had seen what I looked like a few minutes ago, it would have been an immediate no. My head looked humongous and I didn't have any glasses on. I didn't have any makeup on. I just looked crazy. So it is Thursday today. Thank God it is Thursday and we are headed to work. I just wanted to come on the vlog and say hi because I'm probably going to wrap up the Thursday vlog now with, I'm going to post a vlog today and it's going to be wrapping this up or whatever. So yeah, I feel like I did a lot in the vlog that you're gonna see. Like I went to IKEA, I went to Michaels, and now I'm just headed to work. I need to still go to HomeSense because today what you're gonna see in this vlog, like the finale, the wrap up, is gonna be my room. I'm gonna actually have a new setup in my corner, like nook of my room, and I'm so excited. I just got my chair yesterday. I didn't even show you guys yet because I wanted to set it up fully. But it makes me very happy. Like the chair is so big and large and you can like sit in it and like your body kind of just sinks in the chair. So that makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. Which is good. So that means I have time for coffee and maybe like a yogurt or something because I'm hungry. And I probably will do a Target order, but I don't know. Well, maybe I will do a Target order, but I'll just get tuna because I feel like if I get chicken, the chicken hasn't been lasting. So like if I get the chicken that's chopped up, like if I do the Trader Joe's chicken, that will last me like at least a week. So I can start picking those up. But if I get the chicken, like I tried the Purdue chicken, it was not good. I tried this Kevin's chicken, which was okay. But if you guys have tried the Kevin's chicken from Target or ShopRite or anything like that, let me know down below. It looks uncooked, like uncooked meat at first. And then you cook it and it's good. But I feel like it only lasts for the day that you eat it. Even though it says you can have a couple servings. I don't know, maybe that's just my experience with the chicken so far. Or maybe also because I'm not storing it properly. Like I'm not putting it in a plastic container with a lid. I'm putting it in like a plastic Ziploc baggie and putting it in the fridge. But it's not after I cook it too. So it's not lasting the way I would think that food would last. So I don't want to get those. But those tuna packets that you could get, the chicken of the sea or tuna packets that you can just rip up into like 100 calories, they're pretty good. Plus I feel like I need to... My waist when I checked it yesterday was like 29 inches or whatever. So I'm trying my best to get it down to 27. I've been trying to get it to 27 for the longest. But I'm also not counting calories. I'm not watching what I eat. I'm kind of just eating like whatever I want to eat. And not a lot of it, but just... well, apparently I don't think it's a lot. But I feel like it is if I'm not losing weight on my waist. And I actually don't want to lose weight anywhere else. I think today I'm going to weigh myself too. Because I haven't weighed myself in like over a month. This morning I also put on that Drunk Elephant... stuff. I don't know if I have like white. Yeah, I do have like little white cast. The Drunk Elephant, like the dew drops or the bronzing drops with the peptide lotion. So I don't know if that's looking good on my face or if you can even tell that I have anything on. I just put it on my face and I was like, it's not really making my skin glowy, but the girl that I watched on TikTok, she actually put up a glow recipe. So, and her face was like a glowing. So I was like, I guess that makes sense, glow recipe. You put that in, and then your face starts glowing. So I put that on with like a brush because I don't like to put makeup on with my hands. It just, I feel icky when I do that, so I just don't tend to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys, and I'll probably talk to you a little bit later. I don't know if I'll show you what I'm doing at work today. I'm very busy for like the first 3 periods of the day, and then I have to do a report. So I got like a lot of stuff going on and I gotta do. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hey. And I will talk to you guys a little bit later when I figure out everything else that I'm doing today. So yeah, I'm not used to this with no peace out. I just don't know how I feel about it. Like, I like when I have my little, if I'm gonna wear a headband, I got the thicker headbands from Amazon. I'm gonna link these. These are perfect, y'all. So they're like thin in the back and thick in the front. I got all black because I was tired of having all the different color headbands and not being able to change it up. But I want to get like my swoop back if I do have my hair like this because I feel like that looks cute. So I'll figure it out. I have no clue. I'm also gonna try to book that girl that doesn't have up, half downs, and I'll probably get my hair done. I'm trying to get it done close to Valentine's Day, so not next week, but the week after next. So I maybe have 1 or 2 more weeks with this hair. Maybe pushing it, which is not now. I feel like my tracks are pretty loose, and that means like it's probably time to get taken out. So yeah, I will talk to y'all later, and that's it. Bye. Okay, guys. So this is the final. Ignore how I look for the day or the final reveal. This chair is from Walmart actually, and it's like the Drew Barrymore collection. It actually swivels, and I'm gonna get a black and white, like, what's it called, pillow to replace that. This tree was in the corner over there. I just moved it in the back just so we can have that like nice little cozy nook vibe. And then this is the mirror from Amazon, and it is huge because I am, how tall am I? I'm 5 feet, and this is, I think, 76. So I can't even, I could barely touch the top of that. So yeah, I love this so much. So now this is the little nook in my room. I was gonna say my office. It's not my office, but this is the little nook in my room that I was talking about that I love right now so much, and it's such a vibe. Oh, that gray chair is gone. And then now for this, I think I'm gonna get curtains, but then this area over here is like not done. I have to do something about that. Like, this is going, so I had to figure out, I think I'm gonna put a desk over here or whatever and like have a little workstation. So that's gonna be here, and I'm gonna get these nightstands changed out, so those will be different. I want to get different sconces as well. This chair is like the most comfortable chair ever. First of all, it's so deep, so it like goes back beyond me, and it's very comfortable. I can't really move with it right now because I have this plant behind me, as you can see. But y'all, this is such a vibe. This is what I wanted. This is like declutter my life. It is figuring things out. It is working in my favor. It is God's plan. Okay? You see this? God's plan. Sorry, my shrug is like falling off my shoulders. But this is what I wanted. When I think about what I want, it's that. It's this. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. As we get more stuff for the room and as we like redecorate, I will bring you guys along and show you what I'm doing. But love the vibe of this right now. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. I'll see you this weekend. Bye.